What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2019 GMC Sierra AT4, and we just got done lifting this one. So if you guys are looking to get yours lifted, you should take a look at what we did to get this wheel and tire package on this truck. First off, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be the 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. So yes, this is the AT4. We did add a 6-inch lift to it, and this one's going to be the strut spacer package. You do have 3 options when you get your lift kit from rough country, and we chose to go ahead with the strut spacer because this one doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so there's no need to go and upgrade to the extended strut to go ahead and get some of that ride quality back. We didn't have to worry about that this time. However, if you want the best ride quality you can get, you can go with the Vertex coilover adjustable shocks. That's going to give you the best ride quality for your truck. Down here we have a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is their step down from their mud terrain tire. So it's still going to give you the look of a mud terrain with the more aggressive sidewall and the thicker tread. But it's also going to give you some good on-road performance as well, with a quiet ride and a longer tread life thanks to the more compacted center tread. Other hybrid tires also consist of the Nitto Verge Grappler, which is one that we recommend highly, and then the other one is going to be the Toyo Open Country AT3, so that's another good option for you as well. With this wheel and tire package, we do have to do some trimming on this plastic piece down here, just enough so it's not one, it's not noticeable, but 2, it's not going to give you or have any rubbing when you do a full turn when you lock out the steering wheel. Down here we have a 22 by 12 TIS 544 in the gloss black and machine face finish. This one's a really good looking popular wheel right now, and this is going to have that all gloss black lip, the machine face, and then it's also going to be that directional look as well. So you're going to have your spokes going in a clockwise direction, and then this one's also going to include the spike or open lug, so you could run the spike lug nuts on this wheel if you would like to as well. One of the popular things about this wheel is that they do have their name etched into the outside of the lip. That's something you may or may not like, but that is also something that people like this wheel for. This one's going to have that -44 offset, so that's going to give you about a 5.5 inch lip on this wheel, and also push that wheel and tire package out past the fenders, giving it a nice wider stance. This wheel does come in 2 different finishes. The gloss black and milled, which is going to be an all gloss black face, gloss black lip, and then the millings on the inside and outside of the spokes. And then you also have this one, the gloss black and machine face finish. And then you do have several different sizes, which are going to be listed below to see if you want something a little bit different than this size. So overall, if you guys like this wheel and tire package on this truck and like the setup of it, we can help you out with getting that for you, and we can also install it here right here at Krietz Customs. But also make sure you check out our 0% financing, so you can go ahead and get it lifted now and pay later. So you just go ahead and enjoy it.